The last few years have seen a huge trend towards the cloud. Businesses are faced with the decision to replace their on-premise server or migrate to a fully cloud environment. This decision is often an easy one to make. To sum up the cloud, instead of having a physical server at your office, you're hosting your operation on a higher-powered, more redundant, and more well-protected server in a secure physical location. That's also replicated in another one of these impressive facilities. That sure beats having important infrastructure under Sally's desk. While the operating investment does go up, the uptime alone that businesses gain from moving to the cloud more than pays for that additional investment. Think about it. How much does 1 hour of downtime actually cost your business? The most critical step of moving to the cloud is the planning. What's being moved? How can it be moved seamlessly? And what does the cutover timeline look like? That's where we come in. We are experts in moving businesses from legacy systems to the future waiting for them. Reach out today for a quick cloud call. No sales pitches, just good advice from the local cloud experts.